English for Kids.
Jungle Super Chef. The Jungle Super Chef competition final round is in progress. Holly Hippo, Allie Alligator, and Lenny Lion are the finalists.
Today you will be judged by none other than Chef Orangutan.
There is a huge round of applause woo-hoo-hoo, from the crowd. The three contestants look nervous.
A quick tip for you, ham bananas about bananas. Today's main ingredient is banana,
says Chef Orangutan. Holly bakes a delicious banana cake.
Wonderful,
says Chef Orangutan. Allie bakes a banana tart.
Divine,
says Chef Orangutan as he takes a bite of it. Lenny whips up a sensational banana mousse.
Banana-licious,
says Chef Orangutan.
This is a Jungle Super Chef first. Woo! All of you will share the Super Chef title.
They are all winners. Woohoo!